Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send USD using Binance ID. Open your Binance app, sign in, and tap Wallet to view your balances. Choose USD, then select Send and pick Binance ID as the transfer method. Enter the recipient's Binance ID, choose the correct network, and confirm the amount. Review all details carefully, authenticate using your 2FA, and complete the transfer with patience and attention to fees. Start by moving USD into the wallet that supports transfers if needed, then tap Send. Choose Binance ID as the receiver option and type, or paste the recipient's exact Binance ID. Verify the network displays as the native USD chain you intend to use to avoid loss. Enter the amount, check fees displayed, and review the transfer summary. Approve with your 2FA and wait for the instant or quick confirmation on both accounts. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it helps you. Quick recommendation: pick up the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and smart mapping that saves time while you manage crypto tasks. I find it funny how a robot handles floors while we handle transfers, but it really frees up minutes each day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your transfer doesn't complete, first verify the recipient's Binance ID and the network used. Small mistakes or wrong networks cause most issues, so double-check screenshots and transaction previews. Reach out to Binance support with the transaction reference if funds are missing, and keep screenshots handy. Also ensure your account verification and 2FA are active to prevent holds. Staying calm and following support instructions usually resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.